Hi guys, it's Tracy and I'm back with another video, and today I thought I would do one of my first fall looks of the season. Even though it is still, let me tell you how hot it is here today. It's going to be 97 degrees here today, so fall didn't get the message to make its way to my town. Maybe it's at your place, but not at mine. But I'm going to do my first fall look so that I can match my background and all my decor. I already have it all out, so I'm ready. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you take a second to hit that subscribe button down below. It is completely free. And also click the bell to be notified of future videos. And if you're returning, welcome back. As you guys know, this is my co-host, Mr. So he's usually in most of my videos because he won't let me film without him. If I shut the door, then he'll stay out there and he just whines. So I have to let him in because he's so cute and he's such a good boy. He's old. He's like, how old are you? My daughter, we got him when she was like 11, I think, and she's 24. So he's like 13, maybe 14, somewhere around there. And he's just such a good boy. So I have to let him in. So today I thought I would combine the fall look with some requests that I had to use all of the Profusion products that I have. I have more, but I just picked out these ones and I thought the Siennas palette would be the perfect one for the fall look. And then I have the Blush and Glow, and then I have the Luminizer. And then I also have a lip product. So they don't have everything, or I don't have everything. Like they have, I think they have a sculpt kit, but I don't have that. And then let's see, so I just don't have like a bronzer. I have a blush, a highlight, eyes. They don't have like I don't know that, I think they have like eyeshadow primers or mascara, stuff like that. So we'll fill in with all the new makeup that I've been testing out this month. So the pieces that I don't have will be new stuff that I can share with you guys. So if you are excited for this video and to see the Profusion palette that I love, these palettes are so bomb, you guys. They're so good. So if you are ready and you're excited, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up while you're watching and subscribe. So I'm going to start out. I've already primed my face and you guys know I'm not wearing foundation, so just gonna use the Milani eyeshadow primer. I just got this. Emily Noel loves this, so I've finally bought it and I've been using it and testing it out this month. So I'm gonna have a video coming up of all of the new makeup and that I've bought in the month, and then let you know how all of it is. So this is what the Siennas palette looks like. It has all the names printed, which is so nice. It comes with this brush, and the brush is actually really nice. It has a flat shader and then a fluffy crease brush. So I mean, you could do your whole makeup look with their brush. I've used their brush. So those are the colors. So we're going to probably be working on this end here to make a nice fall type look. Move my hat off of my mirror. I have it sitting on the top of my mirror for when I'm not using it. So let's see here. I'm gonna start out with Cryptic here. What kind of a weird name, huh? Cryptic. Sounds scary. Whoa, see how pigmented? I was not expecting that color to be this pigmented. Wow. It went in a little far because it was so pigmented. And it looked like it would be a lighter color, like to have at the top. But it's really pigmented. And that was just like a little dip in, and the color does not look that deep in the pan. So for the crease, let's see, what color should we do? Let me just put this. I think for the crease, I'm going to start with this one here called Outspoken. You know what? No, let's do Fearless because that's more of a fall type color. We'll do Fearless. Wow, see how pigmented? I always top my brush off because if you don't and it's super pigmented or powdery, these are a little powdery, not too bad, you can see in the pan here, but it's not bad at all. And powder doesn't bother me as long as it performs good. So if it looks good on the eyes, then I'm okay with it. So there's that second shade, Fearless. Looking pretty fallish. And then, let's see, for my lid, I think I'm going to go in with this color here called Certain. Looks like a, not really peachy color, but it's a fall type looking color. So let's see. I didn't wet my brush, just going straight in. And that's how it's looking. That's a really pretty color. It's like a pumpkin kind of color. Like a pumpkin spice latte look I've got going on here. So let's see, for the bottom lash, let's do, I guess I'll go in with Cryptic first because these are so pigmented. Yeah, that's a nice color. I'm going to do that, and now I'm going to do a little bit of Fearless. Yeah, that's nice. Looks good, looks good. Let's see. So that is what the first eye is looking like. I'm going to go finish the second eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I finished the other eye. I put some mascara on, did my eyebrows, and didn't have any profusion in those areas. And then next up we're going to use this. Actually, I'm going to go into, I'm going to use this. This is the new from the Ice Dragon, Fire Dragon from Wet n Wild. And this is one of their highlighters. It's called Winter Falls in LA. And I like to use this just in the inner corners. It's a really pretty color and it's like really brightening. So I like to do that. And I just used, what's it called? LA Girl Shady Slim Eyebrow Pencil on my eyebrows and some Ardell Brow Gel. So that was what I used on my eyebrows. And then I'm going to use this You're Dragging Me Down, a Wet n Wild bronzer. It's also from the Fire Dragon Ice collection. And I found mine at Walgreens. And I'm using this big fluffy Eco Tools. I try not to hit my skin too hard with the brush, just so that it'll stay kind of diffused. Don't want to walk around with stripes on my face. It looks kind of intense on this side here. That looks better. I've already worn the little dragon off of the imprint on this. So next up, we're going to do some blush. This is the Blush and Glow 2 from Profusion. And it has one peachy blush here that has some shimmer in it. And then the next blush is called Lovejoy, and that's a matte. And then we have 3 highlighters. So I think we'll try the peachy one. Well, I don't know. Neither one of these really goes with this look. Okay, the peach one is the better of the two, I think. I just like to take my buffing brush, buff it into the skin a little bit. I'm not really noticing much sparkle from, it looks like in the pan that it's, you know, got some sparkle in it, but I'm not seeing any. You know, yeah, you can't really see it once you've got it swatched on your, or put on your face. And this other color here is really pretty, really pigmented. So that, and then I have the Luminizer 1 here, which has 5 highlighters. I haven't even taken the plastic off of this one yet. So we'll do a blush out of this one, since I mean a highlighter out of this one, since we used a blush out of that one. And I think I'm going to go in with this last one here called Impulse. Ooh, you guys see that? It's a really nice color. Very pretty. Let me swatch these for you. I think they had Luminizer 1 and Luminizer 2, and the 1 is the lighter of the 2. So that's the 5 of them. So if you have lighter skin, this will probably work for you. And then darker skin, obviously the Luminizer 2. So that is those. And I like that color. It's really nice. And then last, we have these come in lip kits. You get a lip liner, a lip cream, and then a lip topper. And this one was in the shade Charm. Everything that I've tried by them, I've liked. I haven't found anything that I was just like, ooh. So this is their matte lip cream. Just has a doe foot. Similar to the Wet n Wild one, actually. So I'll swatch it for you. It's a nice kind of nude. And then we have this sparkling lip topper, which is just like a lip gloss. Ooh. So there is that. So that is in the shade Charm. and they don't have, there's not a setting spray, or that I saw anyway. So this is my first fall look of the season with the Profusion Siennas palette. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll be back with another video really soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and have a great weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.